What's up guys, today we are going to talk about a handheld vacuum cleaner. At first glance, it looks like other cordless vacuum cleaners in 2023, but it has some special features. First, it has a large LED display. It also comes with a unique mechanical knob to adjust suction power. However, the most exciting feature for me is a built-in smart dust sensor and automatic dust detection. I am very interested to see how it works. Before that, let's do unboxing and a look at the design of the new BUTURE JR600 cordless vacuum cleaner. So the vacuum cleaner comes in a bright box. We can see a company logo BUTURE and product model name JR600 on the front of the box. There are also specs on the side, such as brand, product name, model, material, rating power, and package dimensions. When you open the box, you will see a quick start guide with installation, suction adjustment, clean and install dust cup, etc. Then we have a main body of the vacuum cleaner, electric floor brush, telescopic tube, 2-in-1 brush, crevice brush, battery pack, power adapter, wall mount, extra HEPA filter, extra sponge filter, cleaning brush, and user manual. By the way, a user manual is big because it is available in different languages. I think it is better to read it before the first use. So the cordless vacuum cleaner is made in a nice blue color. There is a BUTURE logo and sticker with installations how to clean dust cup on the side. We will talk about dust cup a little later. Then you can take the vacuum cleaner in your hand and see the pictures to open and close. That's how you can get the air filter out. There is also a button on the handle to start and stop vacuum cleaner. However, before you start, you need to install the battery. One of the main features of BUTURE JR600 vacuum cleaner is an LED display. First, we can see the battery indicator on the display. After running on a vacuum cleaner, it works in auto mode. It can automatically adjust the power according to the amount of dust. You can also turn the knob clockwise to enter the manual mode. And there are 10 suction modes available in the manual mode. The display has two additional indicators, such as dust full indicator and floor brush tangle indicator, but you will see them when it happens. Before we talk about accessories, let's measure the size and weight of a BUTURE JR600 vacuum cleaner. The dimensions of the main body are 370 by 230 by 115 mm. The weight is 1650 grams, so it is not very lightweight vacuum cleaner, but I think this is because of the large battery. We will talk about it a little later. Now let's see how to completely disassemble the vacuum cleaner and then reassemble it. First, we can remove the battery and the air filter. Then there is a button under the handle to remove a dust cup. Here we can see a HEPA filter and a sponge filter. It is better to clean them after each cleaning and replace them every 3-6 months, depending on how often you use the vacuum cleaner. You can also quickly remove the garbage from the dust cup by pressing the button on the front. There is one more stainless steel filter in the dust cup. You know, I counted 4 filters in this vacuum cleaner. They can all be taken out and cleaned. Talking about accessories, you can connect a crevice tool or a 2-in-1 brush to the main body. Another way is to connect a telescopic tube to the main body and then a crevice tool or a 2-in-1 brush. There is also an electric floor brush in the package. It is very swivel and there are LED headlights on the front. The lights make it easier to see the debris on the floor. BUTURE JR600 vacuum cleaner also comes with a wall mount. I cannot install it now, but it is placed on the wall and holds the vacuum cleaner. By the way, you can charge the vacuum cleaner in this position. However, if you want, you can remove the battery and charge it separately. If we started talking about battery, then let's talk about running time. The manufacturer says that a BUTURE JR600 is equipped with 7 2500 mAh batteries. In auto mode, the battery lasts up to 55 minutes. However, in the most powerful mode, the running time is about 15 minutes, which is still very good. By the way, I haven't told you about the maximum suction power of a BUTURE JR600 vacuum cleaner. It is 33,000 pascals. I think it is the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner that I have ever tested. The minimum suction power is 10,000 pascals. I have noticed that the vacuum cleaner collects everything from the small debris, like dust and pet hair, to larger garbage. You can also use a crevice tool to collect Lego pieces. By the way, you may be wondering about the noise level of a BUTURE JR600 vacuum cleaner. It is about 65 decibels in the first gear, and then increases to 70 decibels in the most powerful mode. One of the main features of BUTURE JR600 vacuum cleaner is the auto mode. It is equipped with a smart dust sensor, so the vacuum cleaner automatically changes the suction power depending on the amount of dust. It works very well. For example, on a clean floor, the vacuum cleaner runs at low power, but on a dirty carpet, the suction power increases to the maximum level. So BUTURE JR600 is one of the most advanced budget handheld vacuum cleaners. It has a large LED display, a smart dust sensor, and auto mode. It is also a very powerful vacuum cleaner with a suction power of 33,000 pascals. I like a removable battery and a long running time of up to 55 minutes. The LED lights is not a unique feature of this vacuum cleaner, but it is very useful. You can see garbage even in dark places. BUTURE JR600 has a 6-stage filtration system, and the manufacturer promises the filtration efficiency up to 99.98%. That's why I recommend buying a new BUTURE handheld vacuum cleaner. The link to Amazon will be in the description under the video. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!